Look at that butt, y'all. Don't hear.
Alright. Fuck it. Another nighttime vlog for y'all. Now you wash the truck. Haven't washed this yet. Woo! Woo! Zoom me out?
Yeah, zoomed out.
Look at that. What is good?
Wash the mirror. Hey, why these don't turn on?
Huh?
Why these don't turn on?
I don't know.
You wet the mirror?
Huh?
You wet the mirror?
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna vacuum this shit too when we're done as well. Look at that almond brush. I'm gonna vacuum this shit as well after we're done and everything. So yeah, please give it a thumbs up. Post notifications, all that shit, man. It's real cool. Oh!
You sound like Pop Watch. Oh.
Man, this truck basically been sitting, you guys. We really haven't been nowhere like that. We've mostly been at the house and shit, just kicking back. That's all we've been doing.
Watch the Paloma.
Mamalona.
Oh, the Mamalona do you or what? I don't like when you miss spots.
I need to fix this bumper.
Yeah, you need to fix them. You didn't do the bumper?
It's already messed up. I had to get a new one. Look for a new one and do it like 350 on Amazon. I don't think it's not the factory bumper. He changed it. He changed it to the curve one.
Yeah. Wipe it real good all over the place.
Be quiet. I don't got no supervisor.
You missed a big ass spot over there.
I don't got no supervisor.
Yeah, I'm your supervisor.
Shit, hell the hell you ain't.
Alright, well, I'm gonna fire you.
I work for myself.
I don't fire you then.
I work for myself. I don't got no supervisor.
I don't fire you
I don't
then.
got no supervisor. Never will. Never have, never will.
I'm your supervisor. Hi. Work it, work it. Do that like those girls when they had a bikini, like. You gay as hell. No, at that movie when they go like this. You're dumb as hell. Oh, goddamn. Rinse. There.
High pressure.
Right there. the hell was that? Oh, never mind.
What?
Nothing. Why are you looking at yourself? Don't forget that mirror. Man, look at your shirt. Look at your shirt.
Huh?
Look at your shirt. Woo! That water. Brent Street?
Yeah, spot free. Spot free, and I got 5 minutes on the clock. That's why I put all the quarters in at once. I ain't gotta worry about going. I gotta go get more change and get more quarters, and I gotta get more quarters in. No, that's $5 right there. It was 11 minutes. That was $5.
Those tacos.
Oh yeah, we on the west side, by the way. Y'all know where we at? We on the west side, by the way.
Where's that when they sell the tacos right there?
Nasty ass tacos. Don't even like that shit.
Really? They're nasty?
I don't like them. Church's tacos is better. Barrett's
Shit.
tacos is better.
Not the homemade tortillas though.
Okay.
They're fired. Where's some salsa only?
Hey, you guys. Should I make my pipes louder? Should I go get a loud exhaust? Maybe put
No.
it on? Should I do the dual pipe setup maybe?
Say no, guys.
I should go do it. It's about that time. We gotta make this damn thing loud.
Say no, guys. He don't need that loud ass shit on his truck.
Yeah, I am gonna put it on here.
And what are you gonna give me? Oh, okay. If you're gonna do that, give me some Apple computer. 1,200.
Yeah.
What about that? All right. Y'all heard that? Everybody.
Alright, but the haters will be talking shit because they can't buy they baby mama nothing.
It's no hate.
It's all the haters.
It's no hate though.
Are you gonna do footage of me driving out?
Yeah.
You gonna give me on camera driving out?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, it's gonna be a long ass video. I gotta show you some stuff under the hood of what I had to fix. Because recently, this truck, when I used to start it, it will die. Well, not die, but to where I gotta go up under the hood, I gotta go wiggle the positive wire under there, and it will crank up. So I had to do some rewiring under the hood over the weekend.
What is this? Oh, that's shitbird or what?
Can't bother me. Watch out those motherfuckers right there. Yeah. Let me tell you something. Come here. Let me tell you something. This is true. I was coming in here. I was coming in on the other stall on the other side. And
Oh, dang, what the hell?
And this car that just left right now, they left their floor mats right there. And I pulled up right there. I'm like, why would you leave your floor mats right there knowing the car's gonna pull up and gotta wash his car?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, people be doing shit on purpose to start problems.
And their shit went out the other way.
And when I came back on this stall right here where I'm at, they came over here staring and shit. So fucking fight slaps and shit, just staring and shit.
No, but that shit went out that way instead of them going out this way.
I'm killing the game and shit.
Alright, go.
Guys, I'm about to move my gun here.
He's in with the truck. La Paloma. That truck is clean now. Finally. Look how clean she is. Oh, be careful with that pole right there. Oh, this one you smell good?
Yeah. I'm daughter. I done the spot free rinse and shit too. But that's what I had to do. Alright, you see this right here? This wire wasn't getting no connection on the terminal. So pretty much this plastic shit right here was all fucked up and everything, so I had to pull it up, wrap it with electrical tape, and ever since I haven't had no issues, and I had to also do the reconnections for the amplifier and everything. So that was it. Other than that, nothing new under here. Hey, don't touch that. That shit might not start. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, women love touching shit.
Yeah, we like touching something else.
That's right.
Shut up. You nasty.
Well, yeah, still the same truck. I still got it and everything.
La Paloma's so clean.
Still got it.
Fresh clean. What is that movie? What is that song called?
Except for this, a long story what happened right there. I'm not saying that on camera.
What is that?
Well, yeah.
What is that song called? Fresh, so clean, something?
Yeah, I gotta wipe it down. Anyway,
You gonna wipe it down?
I'm gonna wipe it down. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it down. Hell yeah. It's filthy on the inside, you guys. I gotta vacuum this truck out right now. I gotta vacuum it out right now and everything. Everything's still here. I gotta vacuum all this out and throw away some shit too. I gotta go do the oil change again. So yeah, still got the subs in here. Still got the whole sound system in here and everything. Nothing changed. Just got the LB right there.
Hey, look at you.
Well, yeah, let me go back here right quick. Yeah, I had a t-shirt in here. I had that black t-shirt that was in here. Where I was sitting at.
You throw it back here?
That black t-shirt. You already know. Long Beach. I had to fix my iPhone today, man. Shit. Let me see where that t-shirt at. Damn, I got beer cans under here. Damn, I got beer cans under here. Everything. That black t-shirt. That black t-shirt that's always sitting up here. Wow. I want to dry it off. I like the spot free rinse, but then it gets right back dirty again with black spots on here. Shit.
What the hell is this?
That's for the seats under right there. Hold this. See? Right, no way, man. Should be some damn t-shirts up in here.
Use that blue
No,
brand.
that blue brand's dirty. No.
Oh. It's
Ooh.
damn, babe.
What happened to the black t-shirt? I was gonna dry it off right quick.
I don't know.
Damn. Anyway, you know I do got new tires on there. All 4 tires. I got brand new tires on here. Shit. I wanna clean this. Damn, I had a black t-shirt in here, and it's always sitting right here. All the time, it's always sitting here. Let me see.
Oh, that's why you take it off.
No, I didn't have no reason to. Oh, let me get a trash can.
Babe, you don't got no trash. You ain't got no trash?
Got that fucking beer. I got a beer can in there. Calm down. You in public, all right? Yeah.
What? I can't dance or what?
Yeah, not only for me, not nobody else.
I'm tripping. Do I put it back? You need it?
Yeah, I need it.
Oh.
Not even that dirty. Man, I wanted to wipe it down too.
So you're not gonna need the trash can? Then I'm just telling you, you're just moving around. You can't leave that trash can right there.
This is
Shoot.
a public car wash. The owner don't give a shit. White guy owns this place. That's high respect. I saw you be back in.
Ay, balazos. Oh my God, babe. Your truck don't need to be a freaking vacuum.
Gotta get some big trash out of there.
What the hell is this?
A tree branch? I had a black t-shirt that was just sitting in here. It was an old raggy ass t-shirt of mine.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're coming in the car wash too. Oh, no, they're not.
Huh? One of those tocaches? One of those El Cuz?
El
That's
Cudo.
what they be saying? They be like, cuz, you don't care my cuz.
Yeah, this truck needs some new headlights, y'all. Look at that.
I know, but I like these
You can't see at night.
I like these setups. I love these headlights.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Don't you have to put a light bulb right here?
No, this is all LED. This is all LED. These are the high beams right here.
Oh,
All LED. This is not no. This is all LED. It's all that fancy crap.
no, but you're gonna have to get the same ones, but new ones.
The wires. It's hard to wire these. There's a lot of wires back there. It's hard. That's why I didn't really know. nice ones there.
Well, why you don't get the regular ones?
No. Is there a sink up there, bro? Never mind. Damn, I wanted to run off.
It's free rent, whatever that shit called.
I don't like the spot. I don't like when it air dries. It looks ugly.
Just see if they have some
Right here.
blue truck towels. $1. You need some?
Yeah, I gotta go get changed.
They're $1 right here. And get this, babe, so your car can smell good. Look at that butt, y'all. You know he has a big butt. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that, babe? What the fuck was that?
I do not know. Fuck that. Let's roll. Ha!
What the hell was that?
I do not know. What was that?
Those people ain't scared. They just standing right there.
I thought that was a protocol, nigga. Shit, you better get to running.
I don't know what the fuck was that.
Dude, I'm telling you, even before we came here, remember all the boom, boom?
Those are fireworks, no?
Nah, and what was it?
What
Even
the-
they looking too. Look, they taking their shit down. They gone. Look at that. They taking their shit down.
Yeah. Maybe we can get the chance to rinse it, to try this.
Oh, shit. I don't know who the fuck shooting. Dude, I'm telling you.
You think that was a car? You know the cars that make that noise?
Nah, hell no. Dude, either somebody was shooting or they wrecked. See, nobody didn't wreck.
No.
Somebody probably was shooting. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro, the crazy shit that going on with us day and night. What time is it, 10?
Yeah.
That means you're going to the liquor store down the way, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video and everything. Raw, uncut, uncensored. This is our relationship. This is how the way we get down. This is how the way we get along. This is how the way we do things. If you don't like it, cool. If you fuck with it, give it a thumbs up. Share the motherfucker. Other than that, we out. Good night to everybody.